everyone, I am Jamaicka Tabujara
And I am Shamiah Jaime.
and today's task is to tackle the F-test.
If you've ever wondered how to compare variances between two or more groups, you're in the right place.
In this video, we'll break down what the F-test is, how it's used, and walk you through an example so you can easily understand it. So, what are we waiting for?
Let's get started.
So, what is F-test? According to Wall Street Mojo Team 2024, F-test is a testing hypothesis process that takes into account two differences from two examples. When the F-test is utilized, the disparity between two variations must be evaluated in a meaningful way. That is, when figuring out whether two samples can be regarded as indicative of the typical same variance in the population.
The formula for F-test: F is equals to S sub 1 squared over S sub 2 squared, wherein S sub 1 squared is the larger variance, while the S sub 2 squared is the smaller variance.
Here is the sample problem.
The sample problem conduct a two-tailed F-test on the following samples. Sample 1, variance is equals to 109.63. The sample size is 41. Sample 2, variance is equals to 65 and the sample size is 21. Step 1, write your hypothesis statements. Your null hypothesis is no difference in variance, while the alternative hypothesis is difference in variances. Step 2. Calculate your F critical value. Put the highest variance as the numerator and the lowest variance as the denominator. Here, we can use our formula, which is the F is equals to variance 1 over variance 2. So, 109.63 over 65.99 is equal to 1.66. Step 3. Calculate the degrees of freedom. The degrees of freedom in the table will be the sample size -1. So, sample 1 has 40 degrees of freedom or the numerator, and the sample 2 has 20 degrees of freedom or the denominator. Step 4. Choose an alpha level. No alpha was stated in the question, so use 0.05 or the standard go-to in statistics. This needs to be have for the two-tailed test, so use 0.025. Step 5. Find the critical F value using the F table. There are several tables, so make sure you look in the alpha. Critical F 40 and 20. Alpha is 0.025. It is equals to 2.287. And the last step, which is the step 6, compare your calculated value or the step 2 to your table value or the step 5. If your calculated value is higher than the table value, you can reject the null hypothesis. F calculated value is equals to 1.66 and F value from the table is 2.287. So, 1.66 is less than 2.287. So, we cannot reject the null hypothesis.